So once you pick out your two crystals and your two glass pearls, we are going to sit down and everybody grab two of these little wire earring picks. And what you're going to do, let me fix this so we can see. Everybody is going to grab their little container of balls and you're going to get 4 for each earring. Okay, so I'm just going to pour a bunch of them out. And all you do is you take, so you take a bead and you put this in the bottom, and then your pearl, and then another one of these, and then your crystal, and then one more little spacer. Oh my gosh. And then that is your earring. How pretty is that? So what we do after we do that, we take this one-step looper and you are going to, there's a little hole in the back of it. You're going to push that in there all the way to the end, and then you're going to squeeze it, and it's going to make a loop for you. Okay? So everybody try that with their jewelry. Here's one. Here is green and green. So again, I put one of these. Let me put my glasses on. So you put a ball at the bottom, your glass pearl, another bead on the top, and your beautiful crystal, and one more bead at the top, and now you have a matching to this. And I'm going to take my one-step looper and I'm going to hold those down, push it in there, and squeeze it, and I bend it back just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to make a whole bunch of these right now. So there's the green ones, here's the pink ones. Let's make a black one. So here is one ball, and then the glass bead, and then another ball, and then your crystal, and then another ball. And now we put it in our one-step looper and we push it back just a little bit, and there you go. So let me go ahead and put this in the one-step looper. All right, so I got these two done. I've got these done. This one is a really pretty brown one. So again, we just do one little ball at the bottom, the brown glass pearl, another bead at the bottom, or another bead on top of it. And basically this is just so fun. It's so fun, and they turn out so pretty, and you can give them away as gifts. You could give them away to your grandma, to your mom, to anybody, to your sister. All right, and then bend it back just a little bit. So there's brown. Let's make another brown one. All right. So how many did we make? We made 1, 2, 3, 4. I made these earlier. Here's a really pretty purple pair. So let's again put one little pearl dot, a glass pearl, another dot, a beautiful crystal, one more dot, and I'm going to put it through the one-step looper, push it back a little bit. Let's make another purple because I really like those. Purple, purple, purple. Ah, look at, okay, so this is a good training point. So see these little balls and see the little hole in it? It's bigger than, some of these holes are bigger than this little stopper, and it goes right through. Actually, this one's good. So you just have to be careful when you're looking at jewelry, because some of these little pieces, if the hole is too big, they'll fall off. I'm trying to keep all the kits so they don't do that. But, you know, I'm not perfect, so I might have something in there that doesn't work. But anyway, okay, so here's the other purple one. And one step looper. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of earrings. And then here's some other coordinates. This is really pretty. This has your 4 beads, and this has a pearl at the bottom. And instead of having 1 crystal, I put 2 of these. Aren't they pretty? So let's go ahead and make one of those too. And I already made one right there. All right, and then I'll be right back to show you what's next.